Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp. Okay, let's get into it. First of all, we need to open our WhatsApp application, and after we have this WhatsApp application opened, we can select a chat we want to lock. For instance, I'm going to lock this chat, so we can tap and hold on the chat like this and click on the three dots on the top right, and then we can simply select the lock chat. Okay, and just click on the continue, and here we have to confirm our face or fingerprint to lock. We can scan our fingerprint like this, and then now as you can see guys that the chat has been locked. And if we want to open this lock chat, we have to scan our fingerprint or use pattern. And I'm just going to scan my fingerprint, and this is the chat I have locked. And if you haven't set the fingerprint or pattern or maybe password on your phone, you have to set it up first on your setting. Then you just need to go back to the WhatsApp and then you can lock your chat. Alright guys, and that's how we can lock chat on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.